In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Mailchimp to Bigin CRM. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless integration between these two powerful tools, enabling you to streamline your workflow and improve efficiency. To get started, make sure you're prepared with all your accounts. First, log into your Mailchimp account. This is where you'll manage your email campaigns and subscriber lists. Next, sign into your Bigin CRM account. Bigin CRM acts as your customer relationship manager, helping you keep track of all your clients and interactions. Lastly, you'll need to be logged into your Zapier account. Zapier is the tool we'll use to connect Mailchimp and Bigin CRM. If you haven't already, set up an account on Zapier to facilitate this integration. With all your accounts ready, head over to Zapier. The first thing you'll want to do here is create a new Zap. You can find the option to create Zap quite easily once you're logged in. Now think about what you want to trigger this automation. For example, when you get a new subscriber in Mailchimp or when you launch a new campaign, you might want this to trigger an action in Bigin CRM. Or, if you prefer, you can have activities in Bigin CRM trigger a new campaign or subscriber action in Mailchimp. Choose one of these apps as the starting point and select your desired trigger event. After choosing, connect your relevant account and make sure to test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. With the trigger set, it's time to add the corresponding action. Click on the Add Action button in Zapier. Now you'll search for and select the other app that will perform the action. If you set Mailchimp as your trigger, then you'll now select Bigin CRM for this step. Conversely, if Bigin CRM was your trigger, select Mailchimp. Choose what action you want to happen, such as creating a contact, updating a contact, or adding or updating a subscriber. Once again, you'll need to connect the respective account to enable this action. Mapping your data correctly between Mailchimp and Bigin CRM is crucial. For example, make sure that fields like email address in Mailchimp map to the email field in Bigin CRM. Similarly, map first name to first name, last name to last name, phone number to phone, and company to company. Make use of tags or lists if you find them applicable to organizing your data. Now let's test this Zap to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Run a test to check if the data is correctly transferred, and make sure that the contact appears in your destination app, just as you planned. If everything looks good and the test runs successfully, it's time for the final step. Turn on your Zap by clicking Publish or Turn On. This activates the automation and will keep your data in sync between Mailchimp and Bigin CRM. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Mailchimp to Bigin CRM using Zapier. Now you can enjoy a more streamlined and automated workflow between these platforms. Don't forget to monitor your Zaps occasionally to ensure everything is running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly integrated system.